Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me LENOVO Yoga Tab 11, and now I'm gonna show you how to recover deleted photos and videos from the recycle bin. So after you will remove any photo or video from the Photos application, your photos will be stored in the recycle bin during 30 days. After this time, your photos and videos will be permanently removed from your device without the ability of recovery. So open bin in your Photos application, choose the photos you want to recover and click Restore. Click Restore. And great, that's it. As you can see, photo was successfully restored. That's it, thanks for watching, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye!